Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're talking about the benefits of intermittent fasting. This eating pattern has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, from weight loss to improved brain function. Let's explore the causes of issues intermittent fasting can help with and the amazing benefits you can experience. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness content. First, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. It's more about when you eat rather than what you eat. Some popular ways to do this include: fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Eat normally for 5 days and limit calories to 500,600 for 2 days. Fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. 1. Overeating and weight gain. Overeating, particularly of high-calorie and sugary foods, can lead to significant weight gain and eventually obesity. This occurs because the body stores the excess calories as fat, which accumulates over time. 2. Insulin resistance. Regularly consuming high-sugar foods can disrupt the body's insulin response, leading to insulin resistance. This condition is a precursor to type 2 diabetes, a serious health issue that affects how the body processes blood sugar. 3. Chronic diseases. Poor dietary habits, such as frequent consumption of unhealthy foods, can increase the risk of developing chronic diseases. These include heart disease, which is the leading cause of death worldwide, various forms of cancer, and metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that raise the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. 4. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity combined with overeating can exacerbate health issues related to weight gain and chronic diseases. Physical inactivity can lead to a sedentary lifestyle, which is associated with numerous health problems, including an increased risk of obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Health benefits of intermittent fasting. 1. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting can help reduce calorie intake and boost metabolism. By limiting eating periods, you naturally consume fewer calories. Additionally, fasting periods increase your body's fat-burning efficiency. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Better insulin sensitivity means your body uses glucose more effectively, reducing blood sugar levels. Fasting periods allow insulin levels to drop, which facilitates fat burning and improves insulin sensitivity. 3. Enhanced brain function. Fasting can increase brain health and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Intermittent fasting promotes the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports brain health. 4. Reduced inflammation. Lower inflammation levels can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Fasting can reduce markers of inflammation, which is a key driver of many chronic diseases. 5. Longevity. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can extend lifespan. Fasting triggers cellular repair processes and improves metabolic health, which can contribute to a longer life. Getting started with intermittent fasting. Here are some simple tips to get you going. 1. Pick your method. Choose a fasting method that fits your lifestyle. The fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window method is a great place to start. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, and black coffee during your fasting hours. 3. Eat healthy foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods during your eating periods. Include fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 4. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel. If you feel dizzy or overly hungry, make adjustments. 5. Be patient. Your body needs time to adjust to a new eating schedule. Give yourself some time to get used to it. That's it for today's video on the benefits of intermittent fasting. Understanding the causes of health issues it can address and incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine can lead to significant health improvements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. See you next time.